this is my hair before using the DIY mayonnaise egg honey mixture. So this is before. As you can see, pretty frizzy. Okay. So, let's see how this goes. Okay, so this is the mixture all mixed up. There's a lot of it. Maybe next time I won't use a whole cup of mayonnaise, but we'll see how much I actually need for my hair. I mean, honestly, the thought of this is pretty gross. And I'm putting eggs and mayonnaise on my hair, and I don't know. It smells like mayonnaise and eggs. So that's not the best. But if it is very beneficial for my hair, I'll suck it up. Yeah, the smell is pretty bad, y'all. Like, my curls better be popping. And my hair better be hella moisturized and y'all, this stuff is thing. Okay, so this is with the mixture in one section of my hair. I mean, of course my hair looks so much better, y'all, but this stuff is stank. So if you got like a weak stomach and you can't really deal with like smells, then it may not be worth it for you. We'll see the end results, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't like the way it smells. But sometimes we have to make sacrifices. So this versus this, I mean, like this doesn't even look like the same hair. Like this and this. If you don't like the smell of mayonnaise, I mean, nobody really likes the smell of mayonnaise and eggs, do you? I don't know. But it's not the best smelling thing. It kind of stinks. But, I mean, clearly it's working. Like, you saw the side-to-side comparison of my hair before and then with it actually on. Once I rinse it out, I'll come back. I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes. And then I will show y'all what it looks like, what my hair looks like after I rinse out the deep conditioner. I just really want to massage this into my scalp because I'm trying to saturate all my strands. Because if I'm going to endure the smell of this, I need all of my strands to feel it and flourish from it. So I'll be back in about 30 minutes while I let this sit on, and I will let y'all know, I'll let y'all see how it turns out. So the question that we are all wondering, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. I left it on for about 30 minutes. I honestly couldn't have left it on longer than that because the smell honestly was starting to get to me. I couldn't do this every wash day, no. But maybe once a month, once every few months, to really restore my hair. Like, my hair looks so much better. The before and after is crazy. Definitely, like, first, I don't even know, it sounds weird, but my hair feels stronger, like it's soft, but it just feels healthier. Before, it was just complete frizz, no definition, shrunk up, and now, look at it. Looks so much better. So, yes, I would definitely do this again, but not right now. I would have to spread out these treatments every now and then. But if your hair, you're having some serious problems with your hair and you just need a complete overhaul and you want to just try to, nothing else is really working, you really want to restore your hair, this is definitely it. This is a bomb. Like, yes, I'm here for it.